Hello everyone. Today in class 7th computer we will start C++ programming language. C++ will become in unit test 2 as well as a final examination. So first of all we will learn what do we mean by programming language and different kind of programming languages, and then I will explain you how to download the software for making C++ programs and how to run it in a computer. So programming language, all of you know that language is a mean of communication that is used to share idea, feeling, etc. We are using different kind of languages like Hindi, English, Japanese to communicate. Same way, to communicate with the computer we need some language, and that language is known as a programming language. So programming language is a language used by the human to communicate to the computer. So programming language is a language that is developed and used by the human to communicate computer on a machine. Now there are different kind of programming languages, like example C++, Java, Python, Java, etc. In class 7th we will learn C++, programs of C++, how to run and execute the programs of C++, and class 8th onwards we will start Java. So first of all, some definition about the programs. You have to write down this definition in your copy. Program, what do you mean by program? Program is a set of instructions. Instruction means any instruction, like if I give the print command, so after that print whatever is written, that is going to be your output. So that is your instruction. Then source code, a program written in a human readable form is known as a source code. Whatever program we are going to write down in a computer, that is known as a source code. That is an English type of a program, like we are using C++ to write a program, that is the English type of language. That program is directly not understood by the computer. So that program we have to convert by a translator to the 0 and 1 form, that is also called the binary language, so that computer understand. And that code is known as a object code. So object code, the program converted by a translator. Here we will use different kind of translator, compiler, assembler and interpreter. You will learn in details about this. These are the translator. This translator convert your C++ program into the machine language or in the form of 0 and 1. That code is known as an object code. Now programmer, the person who writes a code, it is known as a programmer. Means who is going to write a code in the C++ or write a program in C++, they are known as a programmer. So these are some basic definitions for C++. Now I will explain you how to install or download the software for making the C++ program. First of all, if you have the Windows 7 or Windows 10 in your computer, so you will download Turbo C 3.2 for Windows 7 or Windows 10. You will search on the Google, you will get some link. Now I will give the link, provide you the link, this website. You can download from this website. When you click over there, open, this is the link to download. When you open this link, developer, inside, then this is the link to download Turbo C++ 3.2. If you click on the link, it will be download automatically. So this is the website from where you can download the C++, Turbo C++. There are two compilers, either you can use Turbo C++ or Born in C++ for writing the C++ program. So you have to search from the internet and download. If you want to download, you can download from this file. Now when you download this file, this is like a zip file. Like here I will show you Turbo C 3.2. This is your zip file when you download. Now you will right click over there and click on extract here. So when you extract here, it will become the icon Turbo C++, this icon. If you extract here, it will become Turbo C++. then double click over there. This is your window for Turbo C++. First you have to install. First of all you have to install the Turbo C++. Then, and if it is required, update the system. Like some of the system, they are not updated to .NET 4.8. So you will update the system. Make sure that internet is available when you are going to update the system. So after updating the system and installing this, when you click over there, you will get this window, Turbo C++. Now here click on Start Turbo C++. So this file will become, this is your, so this here you will write down the C++ program. After running this, now here you have to write down, simply click on the file, then click on the new. So this is your window. Here you write down the C++ program. Now I will tell you how to write down the C++ program. Then here this is the run option to run the program, compile to compile your program. Now remember here it is like a QBasic. Compile means checking the error. If you make any error and you want to correct it, then you will compile the program. And if you want to see the output, what is the output of the program, then you click on the run. So this is all. If you want to quit it, click on the file and quit X. So that window will be closed. So this is how you will download the C++ Turbo C++ for Windows 7 or Windows 10 and install it. And if your system requires some update, it may be asked .NET 4.8. It is required for this Turbo C++ software. Update the system and install the Turbo C++ and start the program. So in next video I will tell you how to write down the program in C++, how to compile it and how to execute it, and some basic definition about the C++ program. Thank you.